Hello, I'm test automation expert with more than 14 years of experience with development of test automation. On this channel, I will help you to learn about test automation and the DevOps concept step by step from beginning to advanced level. Based on the latest test automation trends, I will teach you the most demanding skills for the future, for instance, Playwright, Selenium, Cypress.io, about API tests, Postman, SoapUI, DevOps CI/CD, GitLab, Azure DevOps, Jenkins, Docker, Kubernetes. Also about non-functional tests, security tests. And we will learn basic of programming languages like JavaScript, TypeScript, Python, C#, Java. We will also try to find answer for the most popular question asked during interviews for test automation roles. Please visit my website learntestcode.com. Please remember to subscribe my channel, hit notification bell and give me likes. I'm Test Automation Expert.